So now we are going to search the patterns, currency pair that we can trade for the 5-minute trading. So in this tutorial I will trade in the downtrend. So I need the pairs which is now going to change the entry point, change the trend. So when they are going to change the trend, it means the uptrend is now getting weak and they will be fall into downtrend. So AUD CHF, CHF JPY is showing that now we are going to into the downtrend. So AUD CHF is showing that market moves up. Here it's changing the trend, and here just CAT CHF. Okay, no, Eurocate, AUNZ. So I think this pair is changing the trend. CHF GPY, it's changing in uptrend. No, here we just check, and then we will, yes, here USD JPY, USD CAD, sorry, USD CAD is now going to change the trend. We load the template here. So he changing in the trend now. Okay, so we have to go into USD CAD. We will trade on the 5-minute. Once it retests the level, so trend is changed now. Here we see that the trend is changed, and also this line is suggesting that we are in the downtrend now. Once it retests, so here it's showing that it's retested. Yes, showing that it's retested, but we need full confirmation. We don't trade at earlier. Okay, maybe the trend can again change, because here we are seeing that again and again trend going to change, but this time I'm thinking that market will move down. Okay, if we get the entry, the correct entry we will take. So here it's suggesting that that is a level which is in the level in here, and it's a round number also, and also it's a retracing back here, but we need just more confirmation. Now look at the market is moving in up direction. We need the more confirmation. So this is also confirmation if there is a, but if we don't get any good confirmation on this line, then we wait for the fractal breakout. If we see the fractal breakout, then we can trade again, but we must take a good entry. It's not that you take any time every trade. No, you must wait for the good entry point. So here when it back to this level and must retest, then I will trade. That will be safe. So here we are waiting, but again market pushing down. You know, look at this, that market is pushing down, and the here see that the USD CAD is showing that trend is establishing in the downtrend, and the CAD is stronger than the USD. So USD is not stronger, but now it's coming to the 50%. When they're coming to all both trend CAD and USD come to the same value, it will be a range. So we must wait. It must retest the level, and then we. So level can be any. I think that this is also a level. This is also a level. It's retested. Now, yes, from that market will moves down for 5 minutes. Here I am going to place a trade here. It will go down for 5 minutes. Because this previous level is retested. We are waiting to close the trade, then we will look for the next setup. So again, if I said that it must retest the recent level, if the market not following over this signal and coming and retesting this level, then we can place a trade here also. But we are waiting, we have a time, it will go down also. So you see that very crazy movements is coming into the price, but we will wait because we took a decision about the market, that market will goes down, and we are waiting for the results. So how the results are coming. Because the downtrend is establishing here. Always you look at the market here, it's make a lower high, so and higher low, and lower low also it made. So it's more chances that market can go down. Sometimes we are taking the early trades, but if the market is in a momentum, you see that market can go down because momentum is high and buyers have no demand at this stage, then you can trade also. Again, market is closed on the support level. So let's see, on the support level I saw there is volume, very less volume from the buyer side. Let's see they are going again up in direction or not, or they are going down. But we must be stand on our decision, that what the decision we made on the trade. So we have still more 1 minute to analyze the market. So after this signal, if we won, then we have another opportunity if the fractal give us a breakout. So we have still 2 minutes, I think. Yes. So look at again and again market is jumping up. So here in the MT4 market jumped up, and IQ option not show any jump in this market. So because the new candle 5 minutes is started, and the previous candle is very weak candle, and it's showing that the sellers have no supply, and maybe the market will goes up, but we must wait what's happening at the end of our trade. Still we have 1 minute more for the trade to close. So in this candle we must win the trade. You see that again we are seeing the fluctuation from the buyers. So let's see what happened, because the 3 times sellers pushed the market down from the higher price, and now I think that market goes down. And this trade is very hard trade for me today. Look at every time what happening with us. At the end we did not win the trade. So how much market moves up, how much you see that market did not give us a winning trade, but not losing trade also. So we will again wait, and let's see, we just get the another entry. First we confirm that market is giving us entry or not. Here now market is in the indecision, and this trend is showing me that again a new uptrend is going to be start. So we have no opportunity here. Maybe when the price reaches here again, and we got opportunity, because you see that market making a lower high to the higher low, and now we are waiting, it goes up, and let's see what happened in the market. And again this here a fractal shown that we are in the uptrend, we are going to the uptrend, but we don't care this one, because the market have so much this indecisions here. So it's better to avoid this pair and go to the another pair to find out the good opportunity where we can trade. So here there is a resistance level for these candles, and if we see that market respecting this resistance level, then we can trade here also. It's respecting, but there is a gap, and market now we can see that it is in which range, USD CAD. Now is making a trend here, so now it means it will goes down. It's a reversal fractal also, and it will clear, but we just avoid this one. This CCI and stochastic indicator suggesting that market is still in uptrend, because it's a 14 period and the trend is showing the 50 period. So we must avoid it once we get a good entry point. Sometime you will see very late entries if we are looking only one pair, but sometime when you go to the another pair entries, Euro UAD, now we are going to check the Euro UAD. So here Euro so already a trend changed from here, it's giving the entries, here it's giving entry, again it's giving entry, the third entry, because you know that from here this price action market so much moves down, so we don't trade here. Okay sir, we are checking which pattern our currency pair is giving us a signal. There is no signal here, so this is a ranging market again. You see, we don't trade in the ranging market. So here again the trend changed here into uptrend, but failed again. It's getting support from this level, and we don't have opportunity to trade here now at this stage. So trend changed, now there is an entry here, USD. I think that market can give us an entry, because up, and this is also failed here, and in the trend indicator JPY is where it's showing that the market is 68 at the price, and it's slowing down, so wait, we just go to the USD JPY, it's showing that it can go down. No. Okay. Today is Monday. Okay, so again we are getting the entry point here. Yes, so I think that might respect here. Okay, we are opening the pair. So let's see where is the market. It's breaking the 50 moving average, and already it's make a higher high. So when make a higher high, it's chances that market can again make a higher high. So we don't have to trade here. We can avoid this one. That is a lower low. higher high to lower high. If it confront, then there is chances that market can move down. So this is a similar higher high. Okay, so we can take a trade here just to close the entry. But it must create a lower high or similar higher high. So that is called a similar higher high. It must close in a rate. So we can say that the higher high and similar higher high appear, then market can goes down. So not it's create a similar higher high, so market will goes up. So today we are trading in the downtrend, so I'm not taking any trade from here. Okay. By searching again. So it's already done, and we must need a good setup. So this is a good entry point here. I think it can work, but you know that 3 times it's working, so now it's risky to trade here. So start from here, it goes up, retest it, and market moves down. Again, it's changing the trend. There is entry point for the downtrend. So again, the trend is changed here, it's retested, then market moves up. So we don't have to trade here. Here, the trend retested, not followed, again goes up. So market is in range. We don't trade here. Here there is no, because market is in ranging. You can see that no any trend is following. Again and again it's broken, and then market again making a range. So this is a clear range in area here. So here again a uptrend appeared. So you know that market is totally in the range. All the pairs downtrend, uptrend. Okay. So there is uptrend again, and we can expect that market can move down. We can take entry here, because one time when the trend goes down for the downtrend, it again fails, because after we always trade on the retracement of the trend, but you don't see here any retracement. So I think it will again if come down, because now it's creating a double top pattern or M pattern. When the M pattern is creating, we can take a trade. So look at, it's creating a high, lower high, but this lower high again broken. Again we can count just not just these count, we only can count here. So if we see there is a trend here, then we can take, and market if give us an entry, then we can trade. So market is moving up, there is no opportunity here in the downtrend. So here again it's uptrend, there is no trend here. So today there are so many entries in the uptrend, not again it's uptrend. Downtrend started, it retested, it's not working. So there is chances that market can move up, because it's in range. There is no entry here in the downtrend. Once he is retested here, we can say that market can move down. There is a price action pattern also, but the chances that market come down and this level again, then the chances that market again moves up. So you cannot trade like these conditions. So here downtrend started and market moves up, so we get a opportunity we can trade here, and overall the trend we will see in the market, that the market detector, which is the pair euro and euro NZ here. Euro NZ is in uptrend and now it's creating a downtrend. So here euro NZ we can take. So don't hurry about the trade. Always 100% confirm that, then you can trade to the right. So in IQ option, euro NZ we must trade. So now it's retesting. Oh, it's closed on the level. So it must break the level. It's very important. As we can see that market is making the consolidation in the 1 minute time frame, and also it can making a consolidation in 5 minute time frame. So here we see the one red candle in the background, green candle, and now red candle. So here it just confirms us that it's creating a trend or not. Okay, it's breaking now again, and if it break, so we will get the arrow indication, then we can trade here. And now it's showing that market is making a trend in the 14 period, so we can trade because this is not a double top or triple top here, because it's making a lower low. So that is a sign that market can move down, but it must broke, then it will be confirmed. Yes, it's broken now again, but it must broke clearly. Again rejected from here. Sometime you will see this type of market analysis. Sometimes you never get the entry, good entries. It's very annoying thing in that market. Sometimes hours I'm waiting for the good entries, because when I'm getting any one setup, that I'm waiting for the one entry, and sometimes I'm taking so much trades in the row. So it's a market. You must accept the market conditions. And you know that I have a little bit time about the trading, about these things. So everything I'm managing here. So if I not get any entry there, and the next time when I got a downtrend, then I can make so much entries more here. So here the trend is finished. It's saying that the ranging market, and now the trend is finished, the new uptrend is going to start. So here in the CAD CHF, a trend is going to change. I will take a last try. And it's showing me must retest and take a trade. I don't know why my mouse is not. So that is a CAD CHF. Oh, there is no time here. Okay, so I'm not taking any trade because there is no time frame here. It's bad luck today. Okay, next I can trade. And today I'm going to finish this video here. Thank you so much for watching my video.